go on forever. Yeah, we could have walked to Buffalo, but it didn't hurt. Holy shit. Those are badass.
I know.
They just keep popping.
I love them. This is it, right?
I think. I don't know, it's hard to say. They just keep doing a grand finale over and over again.
Yeah, they have several grand finales.
Whoa. That was awesome. Oh, here we go. This is the grand finale. So I say, you think the world was in it. Holy fuck.
Oh my god. Look how many of them are coming.
I don't know how to do a fireworks show.
Yeah, yeah.
Holy shit, look at how many are going up.
I know, I know.
Oh my god.